This is an amazing house that I can't believe it hasn't sold yet. It's in the back of Cresswind at Wesley Chapel with woods behind it. Now, the backstory on this house, why it's still available. Apparently, somebody bought this house to be built, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with a mother-in-law suite. Then something must have happened and they did not close on it. And so the builder was stuck with, the 10% deposit that they required, and then an attempt to resell it. Now it stayed at like $968 and change, just under $969,000. But you look at that chandelier right there. That's one of the reasons. Look at all this extensive trim. Look at the painting that's been done on the accent walls. Look at those beautiful 4 windows to the back of the outdoor living. This is a really now see, 2 of those chandeliers right there. Those things ain't cheap. Now, the builder put a 4-foot extension on the covered lanai patio and the primary suite. But look at it, white cabinets, 10-foot ceilings with a tray, and you can do some amazing things with that tray. In fact, our interior designer, Marcy Sachs, helped design the one in my house. Very much, it was that way when we got it, and she helped. But you look at the designer hood, beautiful cabinets, beautiful lighting fixtures. This house, it's really stellar. In fact, stick around to the end and I'll show you a video when we walked through it when it was first on the market. But here's the dirty little secret. This house was built in 2024 and it's had time to settle. It's had time, as we would advise you, to have an inspection done for anything that needs to be addressed, to be addressed. And the builder is motivated for sure to get this thing off the market. Now, we often hear people say they want a premium wooded home site. This has got it, man. It's got beautiful backyard living. In fact, one of my subscribers, who's also a client, lives on this same street. You can put a tray back there or just some beams. And he just mentioned to me the other day at the gym about how happy he is about his lot, which again is the same orientation as this one, backing up to this trees. And he's been here well over a year, very happy with this street. It's called Brush Creek. Guys, this is an amazing home. Now, they spent money on these mirrors. You say, well, I don't like those mirrors. Come on, guys, how easy is that to change? Big shower. The builder puts these beautiful transom windows up there, but that is a good sized shower. You've got the extra plumbing, the handhelds there. You could wash your dog right there. Heck, you could wash my dog right there, as a matter of fact. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Now that half bath is going to come in extremely handy. You're $2,695 on the square feet, just under $2,700. To put that in perspective, I think a generous house for those of us with a little snow on the roof, baby boomers, 55 plus like us, would be to have about $2,500. Now, that's saying flex room, but this looks to me like the mother-in-law suite. But what you want is to stick around to the end of this video and then watch me walk through with one of my agents. So it's 3 bedrooms full. It's the Riley plan. And I'm just telling you that 4-foot extension makes all the difference. Now look at this bedroom has got its own bathroom ensuite as well. So you've got 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths attached. This is an amazing house. You'll love the quality of life in this neighborhood with the beautiful amenity center, gym, ballroom, lots of activities, full-time lifestyle director. In fact, talk about retiring and enjoying your retirement. I'm doing things that I haven't done for a long time, such as I teach a Bible study in the clubhouse twice a month. I'm also doing some spinning of 60s and 70s soul music because I was a disc jockey back from 69 to 81, most of those years. Now, see the laundry room, cabinets, sink, all that's built out already. And I'm even performing at, the HOA hired me to do under my Groove Doctor persona. Now see, this is it right here. Covered patio. You could screen that in very easily. You got about a 7-foot outdoor living space there. And look at the woods. Oh, my. Beautiful pavers. But go to mygroovedoctor.com if you want to see what I'm doing. And I'm doing that here in our neighborhood here this summer. They've hired me to do that under mygroovedoctor.com. So guys, this is an amazing value. I believe we can buy it right. read between the lines, 704-345-3400. I believe we can buy it right. Call your boy. Let's get you in here.